Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat cookies at home for weight loss. We'll start by selecting the right ingredients to ensure your cookies are both nutritious and satisfying. Opt for rolled oats, which provide excellent fiber, and use natural sweeteners sparingly. Healthy fats like coconut oil or applesauce will keep them moist and flavorful without excess calories. Now, let's gather our key ingredients and get them ready for mixing. You'll need 1½ cups of rolled oats and 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour for the base. For sweetness, add about 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil for moisture. Don't forget 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to help them rise perfectly. With your dough mixed, it's time to bake these healthy treats. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, using a spoon or small scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of the cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful light golden brown. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. To maximize the weight loss benefits, remember to enjoy these cookies in moderation, perhaps 1 or 2 as a satisfying snack. Proper storage is key to keeping them fresh. Once cooled, place them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. For an extra nutritional boost, you can even add a scoop of protein powder or some chopped nuts to the dough before baking. Enjoy your healthy, homemade oat cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.